kill you. Got a mic? Got a mic?
You lost your tongue, mate.
If you don't talk, we'll... Hello?
Alright, buddy. No. Ah.
No talking. No talking.
You didn't talk.
No walking. Grab that gun, buddy.
Got him. Thank you.
Oh, you fucked his
He
backpack
wasn't
up.
talking. Oh, really? Oh well.
Yeah, you ruined everything.
Go make a buddy.
Where'd he go?
Circling you.
He's probably trying to feel me out.
I've got blue jeans on and a brown t-shirt.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing here?
I can see you.
Hello? Hello, are you English or friendly?
I'm friendly, and I'm kinda English. If you want me to be English, I can talk English if you want. Don't run, don't run! Hey, get over here, you motherfucker! I'm not gonna shoot.
Hey, legging it ease.
Not yet. Oi, stop! I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
What do you want? What do you want? Leave me alone.
No, I just want to check your name.
Check my name. My name's freaking Ash. Leave me alone.
Get over here!
He's flapping this geezer.
What the fuck? Alright, fuck it. This is you, right, Stewie? Dude, you're desyncing
Yes,
like a
mate,
motherfucker.
The dude with the blue, with the brown top on, that's me.
Alright.
God, I might as well just
Whoa,
shoot him.
don't shoot. What the fuck are you
Stand
doing?
still!
Dickhead. What the fuck should I stand still if you're gonna shoot me, you fucking
No, I'm shooting because you're not standing still.
mug? Yeah, well, why should I stand still so you can get an easier shot?
No, I want to check your name.
Just want to check your gear,
Hey,
man. Come
you
on.
don't have to check my name.
I
Don't sound
do.
anything like the other kid. Why do you want to check my name?
Just stand still, man. Don't worry.
Put your gun on your back then, and then I'll stand still.
I can't. There was already a
gun on
gun
the
on my back. You idiots.
Well, drop the
Fucking a
fucking
bit of
gun
attitude,
away
man.
from somewhere then.
Stop running around like a freaking retard.
Drop
I'll
the
just
fucking
shoot.
gun
Hey,
then.
You look.
What are you doing right now? Seriously, just
You
drop
don't-
the gun.
You don't see me running around. Look at me, look. Look at me, look.
Yeah, Jory's freaking mate. I can tell by your freaking accent.
Sorry? You think I'm English?
No, you're Irish or something.
Oh, who the fuck's that?
Oh man, we've got another couple of two dudes here now.
Heisenberg. Whoa.
One's got a weapon.
Got him.
Good lad.
Popcha!
Get him.
Get wrecked!
I'm chasing this one down.
Alright.
Oh, he's got a weapon. I've
What
got nothing, man. I ain't entertaining that.
Where is he?
Two of them on the wall.
I'm running.
Are you fucking deluded? You're a deluded prick, you fucking Irish bellend.
Did you just say you're Irish?
Guess I'm pretty good.
Yeah, obviously.
Where are you going?
Hey,
Hey, you little pricks! Well, I popped that one.
He was definitely gone.
Ooh. Kinda like the carbine. Hey boy, do you wanna play a game?
But yo, Lowen, I just killed someone there, so there was two.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
There's
he's
one more
peeking
in
up on
there.
the stairs. I can see him in third person.
I'm right next to you, dude. I'm right next to you.
Can you
Look
see
what
him?
I'm gonna do. Watch this. Watch this.
Alright.
Okay, watch this.
Wait,
Get ready.
where are you?
I'm right inside.
No, he's on the
X-ray,
left side.
yeah.
He's on the left side.
Oh, he's on the left side?
Yeah. Watch out, man.
What wage?
Yeah,
Probably gonna
get
get
ready to
wrecked.
take a shot if he moves.
Oh, I see
Yeah.
Know
it.
what to do.
I'm switching positions. Hold up. Don't shoot yet.
Might fall off the triple yellow wage.
I
Oh, you're
didn't
gonna
fall.
run
It was a glitch.
I'm peeking.
His pet is peeking, dude. You could shoot him. Shoot him
Oh
now.
shit! He
Oh,
ran.
you
He ran
just had
across.
him.
He just ran across.
I know, you had him.
If he peeks, he's dead.
I almost shot that
fuck!
guy.
What's he doing? He's desyncing like a bitch.
Yeah, he is. Oh, he's
Oh,
coming
shit.
down. He's coming down, Lowen. He's
I
coming
know. I
down.
know. I know.
Help me. Please.
Shot him.
User
Shot him.
joined your channel.
Shot him in the leg. Shot him in the leg.
Nice,
He's
he's
bleeding.
dead.
He's bleeding.
Nice.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Confirmed
You,
it.
Lord.
Is there another
He
one?
dead!
We're taking
He
more.
dead.
We hear more shots. Up
Alright, guys. We got
We
M4s
got all the
Hey,
here.
gear
I
if
think
anybody
I-
needs it.
Buddy's
Hey,
coming
Frank.
in right now. I'm on
M4s.
the east side coming in all black.
Alright, I'm coming in. I'm going down.
Holy shit, that was
Ooh,
intense.
good shit. I
Hey,
love
I'm
you.
That was
going
freaking
down, dude.
intense.
Another
I
M4
have
up
to
here,
get
guys.
ammo.
Oh, he was out of ammo.
I gotta get ammo.
I'm by.
Dude, that was
here. Wage, I'll stay up here if you.
another M4 up here.